Hello, Namaste, Kencho. This is Anil Sundar and welcome back for tuning into my YouTube channel. So today is the last day of my ride Mumbai to Jaipur. I am on the way returning home. Yesterday I left from Jaipur at 7 in the morning and I reached Udaipur by 2, covered about 400 kilometers. Then we explored Udaipur. I went to Lake Pichola, then I also went to City Palace and little bit of shopping as well. And then at 7 in the evening, I left for Udaipur towards Gujarat. So currently I am at Shamla Ji, which is about 100 kilometers before Ahmedabad. Right now it's 7:30 in the morning and I'm all set to leave for Mumbai, which is about another 600 kilometers from here. So most probably the journey time will take around 11 to 12 hours. We'll try to reach home by 8 to 9 p.m. So I hope you have enjoyed this Mumbai to Jaipur ride series.
Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and welcome back on the motovlogging mode. So, right now, this is the final leg of my Mumbai to Jaipur ride, and we are off from Shamlaji towards Mumbai. Few kilometers away, there's a temple called Shamlaji, which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. So that's the reason why this place is also called Shamlaji. Again, let's see if we get some time, then we'll also do the darshan. Talking about the last ride experience of riding from Udaipur towards Shamlaji, which is nearby Rajasthan Gujarat border, then I must say the experience was quite scary, especially while riding in the Aravalli mountain range. But somehow I managed. Eventually, I was planning to stay back in Udaipur only because it was almost 7 in the night. But then I decided to continue with my journey because again, then next day I had to cover a lot more distance if I had stayed back in Udaipur. So that's the reason I did the night ride, and I eventually reached Shamlaji by 10 in the night. Then I relaxed in the hotel, and then now today I'm starting my journey towards Mumbai. So luckily today I don't have to, it's almost 600 kilometers from here. So I can easily manage that, and I can easily reach Mumbai by planning to reach Mumbai by approx 8 to 9 in the night. Talking about the route to reach Mumbai from Shamlaji, then first I have to stick to the state highway where I will be passing through Modasa, Godhra, Halol, and then I will be finally reaching Vadodara where I will be connecting through the national highway, and then the road till Mumbai is straight as an arrow through the national highway. So that's the route plan for today's ride. I already had my breakfast at the place where I was staying, so now most probably I will be taking the next break after 100 to 120 kilometers. Alright, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and I have finally reached Vadodara. Unfortunately, my action camera was not working while I was riding through Modasa and Halol, but eventually, after restarting the camera for several times, so now it has started working. Again, the plan is to take another halt at Surat, which is approximately about 150 kilometers from Vadodara. One of my relatives stays at Surat, so we will be visiting the Surat Khau Gali and most probably will be having the lunch over there. Again, then we have to do some bit of shopping. So eventually, I will be leaving Surat by approximately about 7 in the evening. So let's see how things go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's 3:45 in the afternoon and I am about to reach Surat in some time. Once I reach Surat, I will be taking a very long break because I have been continuously riding from Vadodara and now I have to give some rest to my bike and to myself as well. From here onwards, I won't be recording much because this is a route I have already covered in my Statue of Unity ride series. Talking about the Mumbai Jaipur ride series, then this is the final motovlog. I hope you have enjoyed this series. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. More interesting content is lined up. This is the longest ride which I have done so far. The Odo is showing 2300 kilometers, so most probably once I reach home it will be close to 2600 kilometers. I have thoroughly enjoyed this Mumbai Jaipur ride series. So now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you soon. Until next time, goodbye and ride safe.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।